The show's very good. A lot of people have come through the doors.
When you come to an exhibition, you're hoping for lots of people to come in and visit your stand, and it's been very busy. We've been very busy indeed.
People talk about recession and doom and gloom, but from the manufacturing side, we certainly aren't seeing it.
It's been a productive show. We've got some good leads from it.
Varied amount of people come to the stand.
We've generated a tremendous amount of interest.
Genuine inquiries, people interested in what we're doing.
Overall, we're very pleased.
Happy days all around, as they say.